Our vast and diverse world is home to an astonishing variety of animal species. With an estimated 7.7 million animal species, only a small percentage of them have been formally described. It's no wonder that confusion can arise when some animals bear striking resemblances to one another. In this video, we will explore some animals that are frequently mistaken for one another, shedding light on their unique characteristics and helping to clear up the confusion. Rabbits and hares. While both rabbits and hares are members of the Leporidae family, they possess noticeable distinctions. Hares, larger and swifter than rabbits, showcase longer ears, powerful hind legs, and larger feet. Hares are renowned for their courage and ability to outrun predators. On the other hand, rabbits are inclined to seek refuge in warrens when faced with threats. These differences in physical characteristics and behavior highlight the contrasting survival strategies employed by rabbits and hares in their respective environments. Moths and butterflies. Moths and butterflies, despite their apparent similarities, can be distinguished by their antennae and wing structures. Butterflies have club-shaped antennae, while moths exhibit either serrated or feathery antennae. Moths typically have tent-like wings that rest flat on their bodies, while butterflies fold their wings vertically when at rest. These variations in antennae and wing characteristics help differentiate the two groups, allowing us to recognize whether we are observing a moth or a butterfly. Sheep and goats. Although sheep and goats share similarities like cloven hooves and rectangular pupils, they differ in their tail positions and eating habits. Sheep tend to keep their tails down, while goats hold their tails in an upright position. Moreover, sheep are primarily grazers, feeding on grass close to the ground, while goats are browsers, reaching for vegetation at higher elevations. These distinctions in tail posture and feeding behavior reflect the divergent adaptations of sheep and goats to their respective environments. Hedgehogs and porcupines. Hedgehogs and porcupines may both have spiky exteriors, but their similarities are limited. Porcupines, belonging to the rodent family, have prominent front teeth adapted for consuming vegetation. In contrast, hedgehogs have pointy snouts and teeth and are omnivorous, enjoying a diet that includes insects, frogs, plants, and fruit. These differences in dental structure and dietary preferences highlight the contrasting adaptations and ecological roles of hedgehogs and porcupines in their respective habitats. Llamas and alpacas. Llamas and alpacas, both members of the Camelidae family, exhibit noticeable distinctions. Llamas are generally larger in size and possess long, curved ears, whereas alpacas have shorter, spear-shaped ears. Llamas have longer, more elongated faces that are mostly hairless, whereas alpacas have fluffy, compact faces. These physical differences contribute to their distinct appearances and characteristics. Both llamas and alpacas have valuable uses, but their contrasting traits make them suitable for different purposes, such as pack animals and fiber production. Crocodiles and alligators. Crocodiles and alligators, both belonging to the Crocodilia order, exhibit distinct differences, particularly in their salt tolerance. Crocodiles have specialized glands that enable them to excrete excess salt, making them well adapted to saltwater habitats and coastal areas like mangrove swamps. In contrast, alligators predominantly inhabit freshwater environments. Additionally, their head shapes provide a distinguishing feature, as alligators have U-shaped snouts, while crocodiles have V-shaped jaws. These variations in salt tolerance and head morphology contribute to the divergent ecological preferences and adaptations of crocodiles and alligators. Sea lions and seals. Sea lions and seals, both belonging to the pinniped group, exhibit distinct characteristics in their flippers, ears, and behavior. Sea lions have larger, skin-covered flippers and noticeable external ears, whereas seals have thinly webbed flippers and lack external ears. Additionally, seals are typically smaller in size and tend to prefer solitude, while sea lions are known for their ability to walk on land and their inclination towards socializing in groups. These differences in physical attributes and behavior highlight the contrasting adaptations and lifestyles of sea lions and seals in their marine environments. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.